Well, who do we have here today? This is my good friend Sasha, and today we'll be showing you how to do an oil and filter change on his car. So, this is my friend Sasha.
Nice
how you
to
doing?
meet you. Nice to meet you.
Alright, and today we'll be working on a nice BMW E46 Diesel 2.0. Lovely, whole process live. So the first thing we gotta do is take out this little cover so we can have nice access to the oil filter, which is right here. Let's check if we have the good socket. For the BMW of this vintage, we're using a, there we go, 36mm socket. We got some Allen keys, screws to take out, so let's do it first.
Reveal the baby within.
Refill the baby. This is the parts of the video I always cut out, you see. Lovely. Sasha, you want to do the honors of undoing your cover?
I'm doing my own cover, let's see.
That's it.
So what
We're
else?
sponsored by Car Door.
Do you see more screws? There were more before.
Ah, there you go. There's one
yeah.
here. So, just right here.
Yeah, freestyle.
Freestyle. I mean, that's what it is, literally. Okay, so we have this. This is connected to the radiator. So
the plug.
now this is like a plug here.
All
Take
right.
off. Ah, there you go. If something, I have replacements for this, so not to
All right.
worry. I actually do. I bought like a whole bag of them. And now this one. Ah, there we go.
Oh yeah, just
Nice.
clips on.
Just
like
yeah, that's it.
Oh wow.
Oh, there we go.
What is
So
that?
now this
That's
is-
for the radiator intake.
This is sort of an intake.
What's it for cooling? Because it's
Basically, it's the air comes into the engine here. So now I think we can easily take off your little cover. There we go.
And there she is.
There she is. We're exposing the engine.
It looks like a very not obvious setup for an engine, like compared to other cars. Like I don't see where it's deeper in the cylinders.
Basically, it's deeper in. It's so you can have bigger engines.
Right.
Because this is a 2-liter 4-cylinder. You'll have 4 cylinders. This is the injectors, 1, 2, and 3.
Okay.
The injector lines and everything. The intake. This is where the air is going, and at somewhere there should be the turbo, because that would be the exhaust. But yeah, overall nice engine, man. Very nice.
Gets me from A to B.
Oh yeah, that's well, that's what a car's supposed to do.
Could do with a bit more power, but holding up.
Okay, good. Okay, so I think what we can do is take out the filter first. Since we're already here, we just take it out and then we just raise it. You can do the honors by undoing your filter. Do you want to do it, or you just get? Oh, you just get. All right.
This one I'll leave for you.
Okay.
Oh, that was a nice pop.
Yeah. That was a bit tight in. But I have to say, for German cars, it's very nice that the oil filter is on the top.
I was surprised. I thought it's going to be somewhere obscure, like.
No, like on Honda. You see, this is the Honda block
Yeah.
from Black Pearl.
Yeah.
You see that little rusty thing? That's
Yeah.
where the oil filter lives.
Oh, wow.
It's behind the engine
Wow.
when it's mounted. So, there we go.
Oh wow. Okay.
Well, we have our oil filter. Let's see. I see no specks of metal. Your oil filter is clean. Nice. Very good. Yeah.
Oh shit, it is.
Very good, very good. Okay, good. We got that out. Now let's stuff some paper towels for the time being so nothing falls in.
Yeah.
To that little chamber.
The Chamber of Secrets.
Let's not get copyrighted. Alright, nice. Like I told you, in Poland, this is a very popular BMW. People like it.
Right, so there's a lot of the forums.
Yeah, many different variants. Saloon,
yeah.
you know, estate or combi, how I call it in Polish. Yeah, the coupe, the M3
Yes.
is very popular.
Yeah. You have a lot of them as well, but more recent versions.
Yeah.
You know.
Lift!
Power.
The sky! Okay, I think this should be enough.
That's
There we go. Okay, good. We'll put more anyway, just for safety.
Extras.
I always put extras, yeah.
You don't want to, you don't want to be
Yeah, yeah.
flattened.
You don't want to flatten it, you don't want to put damages. Just making sure that this is metal, because, you know,
Yeah, you don't want to put it on some plastic.
yeah, plastic or whatever, even also the other. Perfect. Put it here just for safety as well.
Yeah. You gotta like it. So
You like it?
I like the precautions.
Nice and secure.
Yeah, very secure. Very
Good,
secure. I didn't
good.
see that budge.
Good. You want to go underneath?
In a bit.
In a bit.
What are you doing
Well,
next?
now I'm going to be draining the oil.
Right,
This
yeah,
is-
find the tank.
The oil plug is under. So take a little bucket. This is my little garage creeper.
Oh, garage creeper.
That's what it is.
That's so
But it's very useful, you know.
Sorry, they're a big red.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
comes with them headrest as well.
Yeah, exactly. No, I love
brilliant.
that thing. From what I heard, it's a 17 millimeter.
The ancient, the rumors say so.
The ancient,
The ancients, the oracle.
the prophecy says.
Yeah.
Okay, Sasha, I'm going under. Wish me luck.
See you on the other side.
See you on the other side.
The underworld.
Oh yeah. There we go. We found it. Here is the Holy Grail. That's it. Here's the socket. Nice. Interesting is the underside of this BMW. I like it very much. Like the covers. Oh, lovely. All right, let's drain it. All right. So 3, 2, 1. Here. This is the oil. Right. Just gotta double check now. Oops. Get myself in my glasses.
Oh, that's okay.
Nice.
No, use the bucket. Watch out, not to hit it.
Not to worry. We're good. We're good. Try to not get dirty, but most probably will. There we go. There she is.
Oh, damn. Yeah.
That shit's nice and healthy.
How's the oil looking? Can you tell from just the
I
color?
can tell that it's good. I mean, it's like in a diesel. The diesel makes it very black.
Ah,
It's
right.
common.
Okay.
But yeah, so far so good.
Okay.
Viscosity is good. And yeah.
This is the 10W40 from Lidl.
Ah, okay.
That's what's good.
It's alright, man. I mean, the thing is, I was thinking in my petrol station they sell Mobil 1.
Yeah.
What I'm using for all my cars.
Yeah.
And I'm very happy with
No,
it.
I'm
so.
happy to get something.
Okay, good.
Something decent.
Alright.
It's nice oil change. Get some fresh.
Some freshness. I don't know how many liters go in here though.
We might have did that.
Yeah.
But this car is like pissing.
Yeah, yeah.
Slowing down, slowing down.
Down, but I just want to make sure that we don't, because I did it once. First time I changed the oil on the Mercedes, and the stream went sideways, and it fucking made a mess. But you know what's a good thing for the oil change? Like for example, if you spill it, and I didn't know, kiloliter.
Oh, really?
If I spill the oil,
just to
put
suck it up.
kiloliter because it's absorbent.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, that's a natural thanks to Phoebe.
Yeah. Yeah, my little key. We have our little drain plug, and actually a copper washer. I'm very happy to see that.
Oh, nice.
Because usually I see a metal one, and I don't see a...
Why is copper preferable?
Copper is preferable because it's malleable. Okay, so I think your car might be taking as much oil as my Mercedes, which is maybe like 6 or 7 liters.
Because I wanted 2 bottles.
That's one big bottle and 2 small ones.
Right.
Ah, it's on 5.5 so far.
That's a measure. You've got a measuring mark inside.
Yeah, I got a little measuring mark.
Oh, nice.
It's not exact,
Yeah,
but I'm assuming like for safety, let's get 7 liters.
Okay.
So like you have an additional bottle just in case you know if you need to top it up. And since we're also changing the filter, we're gonna have to prime the filter as well.
Right. Yeah. So that's all good with me.
All right, so we're gonna leave it to drain.
Just leave it.
Over here, it's nice and
Looks
straight.
like the liquid money.
Liquid,
Looks like liquid gold. Like.
Liquid gold, yeah, that's it. So what do we have here? We have a nice oil filter, nice long one. I don't know what this is actually, which oil filter, I mean. This is why we're taking it out, so, you know, I can be sure. And then, towards the main part. Is this removable? No, it shouldn't be. Take out also the little seals, so we can have them here. There we go. So, all the O-rings are out. I was meant to buy those picks to like take them out, and I'm using my little, you know,
Tweezers. Like
tweezers, but they're not a good thing to take out those rings.
So which is the filter itself?
This is the filter.
Right.
This is the filter. This is the filter cover over
Okay.
here. So you see, and you have a nice little bolt here. With my Mercedes, I have the 72 millimeter socket just to take it out because it goes around here. But here you have a nice bolt. It's very customer friendly, if you will.
Okay,
So
that's a nice surprise.
yeah.
from BMW.
It's good. It's good. No, it's good. But yeah, we have our O-ring. Okay, this is bang on. All right, nice. It's a bit smaller than what this is, but it should do the trick. You see, it goes actually it goes perfectly here.
Okay.
So good. So we have a replacement, so you know we can leave that. We're gonna wash it later. So yeah, let's get a little plastic bag. I have it prepped here.
Satchel.
A little satchel. That's it. We take the oil filter, we go to the parts store, get the oil. We'll be back in a little while. Okay, good.
That looks like a packed kebab.
Pretty much.
Something you get from takeaway.
So we're back from the parts store. Nice. We got a nice 10W40 over here and a nice filter XU722X. So now, I just take your water here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna prime the filter before we install it.
What does that involve?
So basically we just soak it a little bit in the oil. So that when the engine starts it's not dry.
Right.
But first, before we do it, we use some brake cleaner. Has a funky smell. Does well.
Oh, smells much worse.
Yeah. Nice and
Damn.
yeah. There we go. Also, we already changed O-ring for you over here. We'll also clean this up. There we go. I think this is a little magnet you have here, you see, inside.
Oh yeah?
In order to, for any like debris that comes in from the engine. So like little metal specks.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
Yeah, mostly you see them also in gearbox.
Okay.
Where you have, you'll take it out, and some of them they have like a little stud, and that's a magnet that takes all the little shavings from the clutches and everything.
Okay.
Yeah, nice and clean and ready to go. So this is what we do with the filter. I don't think it's directional. It doesn't really have a direction. No, it's just made in Germany. They just put it straight in here. But before we do that, we put our. Okay, I think this has held nice. Yeah. So the way how we prime this, we'll take the little bottle here, like this. Just pull a little bit here. So we don't have a dry start. That's the most important. I'm trying not to waste, so the rest can go in the engine. That's it.
I think nice.
This is good. So we can take this back to the car. So we can just clean out the area a little bit here. Nothing fell inside. Now we can install our filter. Okay, there we go. It goes like so. This should be good enough. Nice. Good.
Nice, beautiful.
So there we go. This is your lifeblood in this car.
Liquid gold, yeah.
Liquid
Oh,
gold.
it's very black.
It's not burnt, so it's good.
Good.
This should be tight now.
What was that spell you cast?
No, I'm just.
Like you're casting spells?
I don't want to do it over tight in it or whatever.
Yeah.
But if you can pass me paper towels, please, and some degreaser, the one spray. Thank you so much. It's good. All right, good man.
Very nice, thank you.
Oh,
And now we fill it up.
oh yeah, we'll fill it up.
Oh, we fill up this beauty. Slower. It's like twisted.
Yeah, that's it. There we go. Nice. It's all good. You don't have head gasket issues, so that's good.
Okay.
If there will be head gasket issue, you basically have like a milky film over here. You see? I know, you're perfect.
Oh, nice.
So there we go. We have our trusted funnel here. Fits perfectly. Lovely. Order of our Mobil one. You want to do the honors of pouring? Or? There we go. Sasha's first oil change. And that's lifeblood of the car.
Yes, I can feel it coming alive.
Yeah, this could be the fun though. A little bit like, you know, the flat, like this.
Like, how do you mean?
Like this. Like this.
Ah,
and then you
proper,
pour it.
okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, give this one.
So, lovely. The whole bottles can go in.
Yeah, let's go for it.
We check the level. Take it for a nice drive.
Yeah. I
And then
can already feel the car becoming like happy.
Oh, she's definitely gonna be happy.
Okay.
Oh, nice. Let's check for leaks. Nothing. There we go. No leaking. Perfect. Just I'm taking out the funnel to not make a mess.
Ah, right.
We have our trusty. That's it. And cleaned up this area a little bit as well.
Yeah. Do we check the dipstick now?
Yeah, we can check. Yeah. Now it's all good. Nice. Let's see. There we go. We're a little bit above, but that's good. So now we can just take it for a drive. And after it circulates the whole engine and fills in, we check it again.
Right.
I think we should be good, you know. So Sasha, what do you think?
Very smooth, very smooth. I feel like she's happy. She's gliding. She's responding faster, less vibration, less noise. It's very nice.
Nice man. Nice man. I'm very happy with this. Very happy. Okay. Let's get clean this up. Good. So you see, you are just on the middle here. So we can top up a little bit, just a tad. Most of the times, like, you know, when you have the oil, it shows you like in the middle of the dipstick.
Yeah.
It should be like half a liter, like roughly half a liter to top up.
Okay.
Yeah, there we go. Now you're maximum.
Ah, nice. Okay.
Very good. Good. Nice.
Amazing. Thank you.
Man, of course, anytime. Let's put back the covers. Put the little babies on. Before we do that, maybe you want to clean it a little bit. Clean it up a little bit from all the grime and everything. It's much nicer to work on a car that's, you know, cleaner later on down the line, maybe if you want to check the oil.
Nothing attached to this, right?
There was, but we're gonna attach it in a bit. It goes like this. There. And now we had only 2 screws.
We had 2 screws, I think. One there.
Yeah.
Oh, 3. No, we had 3 actually.
We had this one. This one goes in here somewhere, to hold on the other cover.
Ah, right.
Yeah, you can do, let's see, just to make sure that, you know, the screws are aligned. Yeah, we did. Okay, do the honors.
Putting that baby back.
It's hand tighten. Beautiful.
And where is this one? There she is.
So somebody was trying to do it and they nicked it here.
Right.
Well, a wrench or something.
Yeah. That's okay.
So take this cover back on.
That's the deal.
Yeah, that's one goes here. Air pocket, that's it. And this just goes on like so. Nice. Okay, and these ones, you just push in, put it here.
That's it.
That's it. It's good. It's good. You did well, man. You did very good. Thank you for helping.
That's correct. No, thank you, bro. Thank you for the expertise.
Of course, man. Anytime. So the BMW is finished. What, Sasha? What do you think?
Very happy with it.
Very happy.
Smooth, very quiet, less vibration. Feel the car's breathing again.
I'm
So,
good.
very happy.
Thank you very much for your trust. Thank you very much for letting me record this.
Oh, thank you for your expertise, Miko.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. All right, so that's it for this episode. I'd like to thank you very much for watching. Then thank you, Sasha, again for doing a little cameo. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Take care.